Hey everybody, first day back for most people. It's as you can see, plenty of snow. It's nice and cold. Vitamin come down this morning. I'll pop a bit of a video what I come out to when I saw it this morning, and I'm going to do a video because when I just pulled in the yard, I've noticed I've got a lead trailer on 200 cars, and it's a 88 3.6 Daimler. It's a 13,000 mile genuine car. I've had it a hell of a long time. In fact, I think last time it was run was on a video on here, which must have been well into last year. So should have a full battery. So we'll go off shortly. We'll chuck his hand in and we'll see. Well, obviously put isolator on and see if we can get her alive. See if she'll come alive. They're not bad at potties. I mean, bit posh Lucas system on that one, and being an early one, 3.6. So well. Let's follow it on in a bit with that. Cheers. Right everybody, I'm carrying on with this video. So as you can see, cable going across there. I don't know if you can see it. And there's car. So I'll have to pop the bonnet to put the isolator on. It hasn't. I've put an isolator on, they have a bit of leaf leakage. I better see if I can get in. Let's see how we get on. We're in. Yep. It's got a bit of snow, it's probably not as bad. But this is really early locust stuff, so let's see how we go on. Oh well, we're fully charged anyway, so see. Oh god, it's cold under here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Frost. Let's get rid of the charger. It might have to take a gulp or two on it to come on fuel, but see how we go. Really old science this. I don't think it'll load that, so let's see what happens. Let the whole system do its job. I'll not put my feet in, I'll see if it can go on its own. Power anyway, so see what happens. There we go. Take a few pulls because it's been months. Nearly this go. See if we get this one. There we go. Not regulating every oil pressure. Right, so that's a proper cold start. Let's get camera. On a 1988. See how cold it is under here, look at ice. 1988 3.6 Daimler. The car has done a genuine 13,000 miles. She didn't seem to be too troubled, she just had to get a bit of fuel. Full oil pressure. Right, I've had battery up so I knew it'd go, we've got plenty of fuel. In fact, I'll lay her aerosol out, I'm going to let her run a bit. Not too much condensation either, actually. But realistically, I mean, the car's done, like I said, 13,000 miles, 13,500 miles. Get in him, fuck. Oh, crikey. Well, car's like brand new in here. Headlining needs re-sticking, but just got on its form. I'm going to leave it running anyway. I like come up to temperature steady. First day back, like I say, it has been charging, because to be honest, I'd forgot I'd left it on charge. I did put it on charge. I've been through them all, so I can't remember when I did it. So anyhow, if you like video, give us a like. Subscribe to my channel. It's not all stuff like this, but it does happen from time to time. And pass any comment you want to know. I mean, this car could be available if somebody wants to buy it. So genuine mileage, full history, everything. Thanks very much, everybody. Thank you. Bye.